Accomplish. To accomplish something means to finish it.
He accomplished his goal of running 10 miles.
Approve. To approve of something means you like it or are happy about it.
Her coworkers approved her new plan.
Approximate. Approximate means to be close to an exact amount, number, or time.
My approximate height is 2 meters.
Barrier. A barrier is something that is in your way.
The Great Wall was a barrier between China and its enemies.
Detect. To detect something means to notice or find something.
The boy ran to the kitchen when he detected the smell of cookies.
Duty. A duty is something that a person has to do.
It is parents' duty to take care of their children.
Elementary. When something is elementary, it is the first or most simple thing.
Children go to elementary school before high school.
Failure. A failure happens when you do not do something right.
My cooking ended in failure because I burned the food.
Gradual. When something is gradual, it happens slowly.
Children learn to read at a gradual pace. They do not learn right away.
Immigrant. An immigrant is a person who moves to a different country.
My parents were immigrants. They came from Poland.
Insert. To insert something means to put it in something else.
The mailman inserted the letter into the mailbox.
Instant. An instant is a very short amount of time.
A microwave oven cooks food in an instant.
Poverty. Poverty is the state of being poor.
Poverty is a problem in many countries around the world.
Pretend. To pretend means to make believe something is real.
The boy liked to pretend he was a king.
Rank. A person's rank is their place in an order of people.
The man got to the rank of captain in the Navy.
Recognition. Recognition is getting praise from other people.
The hero got recognition for his brave deed.
Refrigerate. To refrigerate something means to make it cold.
Grocery stores refrigerate fruit to make it last long.
Rent. Rent is the money people pay to someone to live in a certain place.
To live in this house, I have to pay rent at the start of each month.
Retire. To retire is to leave a job, usually because of old age.
My father is 65 years old. He is about to retire from work.
Statistic. A statistic is a number that tells a fact about something.
The statistic showed that we did just as well this year as last year.
Albert Einstein. My name is Albert Einstein. Many people know about the great things I've accomplished. But I had many barriers before I became famous. I was born in Germany. When I was in elementary school, I already knew about math and statistics. When I was a boy, I pretended to be a great scientist. I loved school, but my life at home was hard. My father lost his job, so my family lived in poverty. We could not pay the rent in Germany. We became immigrants and went to Italy. I finished high school and went to college in Switzerland. After college, I began writing about science. I did not reach success in an instant, though. At first, other scientists did not approve of my work. They thought I was a failure. Rising to the rank of an admired scientist was a gradual process. Soon, people started to notice that I was right. At last, I began to get some recognition. I showed how to find the approximate size of very big things, like stars. I also detected and explained the movement of very small things, like atoms. And for fun, I made a machine that could refrigerate food by inserting heat. I never retired. It was my duty to keep working. I overcame many hard times, and I will be remembered for my important works.